Today we will make this Canva project. Change the color of your background. Go to Default Gradient Color. Choose this color style. Go to Element and search Phone. Go to Photos. Scroll down and choose this transparent phone. Highest the size. Go to Uploads and choose your picture. Adjust the picture and rotate and crop it like this. And rotate again. Go to Edit. Choose Fresco Filter. Go to Shadow and choose Drop Shadow. And adjust the shadow. And change the color. Go to Element and to Shadow. Go to Graphics and choose this. I think you like this video. Subscribe to our channel.